honor na nakabalik ako dito sa alma mater. Hindi ko alma mater ng ex ko, si... Hindi! Guys, wow! Most Outstanding Vlogger Award. Actually, honestly, to be nominated alongside with these wonderful and incredible individuals is already an honor for me. In English ka, sinerge ko yun daw. So, ayun guys. Hindi, sa totoo lang, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, galing po ako TikTok. 3 years na po ako nag-TikTok and 9 months pa po akong nagiging YouTuber. Kaya I just wanna take this opportunity to thank the whole Lasallian community for giving me my first ever award as a vlogger, as a YouTuber. Grabe, in a span of months, guys, maraming salamat po. Kaya sobrang mahal na mahal ko talaga yung mga taga-Lasali. Lalo na kay na Brent at... Ay! Hindi pala! Sorry. Yes! Sabi ko nga kanina 3 years na ako nag-TikTok. I started 3 years ago, malamang. So, ayun, dati naalala ko pa, nagsimula ako na patagong nagbe-video sa kwarto ko. Tapos, despite all my limited resources, yung wig ko dati is yung gamit na gamit na damit. Tapos, yung cellphone ko dati, second hand lang. But, I just kept on going and that led me to where I am now, dito sa, San Bato, Caloocan. Charing, hindi. It opened a lot of doors. Kaya thank you so much, guys. Dahil naging vlogger tayo, naging artista tayo, hindi. Nabigyan tayo ng maraming movies and teleserye, and thank you so much for making this happen. Maraming salamat, guys. And of course, I owe this award to the entire incredible support system of mine. Sa pamilya ko, Mapa, dito na ako. Tsaka, sa entire YouTube team ko, TikTok team ko, maraming salamat kay Sean, Brent, Maya, thank you. Also, guys, syempre, sa may ABS-CBN Rice Artist Studio family, maraming salamat. And of course, sa inyo, kanino pa ba, di ba? Thank you so much, classmates. I am nothing without you guys. Seryoso, yan walang eme. Yes, and I just wanna take this opportunity also na sabihin ko na this is also for the aspiring content creators out there na lalo na